Hey Charmers, welcome to CharmIQ. In this video, we're diving into the core of CharmIQ, AI specialists, which we call charms. CharmIQ lets you leverage these charms in two ways, by using pre-built options or by creating your own. Let's start by creating your own charm. Why create your own? Well, sometimes you need an AI with very specific skills and knowledge, tailored to your unique needs. It's easiest to create your charm right within your workspace. First, tell CharmIQ what kind of specialist you want to create. The more specific you are about the skills and knowledge you need, the better. For example, let's say we want a specialist in creating taglines, someone who can help us come up with catchy taglines for our marketing campaign. We'll type in our description. That's all there is to it. Next, we need to bring in the charm writing specialist to help us develop a full job description for our new charm. To do this, type @ and select Charm Writing Specialist or find it in the Charms panel. The Charm Writing Specialist is the only charm you need from CharmIQ to help create your own charm. Once the Charm Writing Specialist is done, the job description is now part of your text in the document. This means you can edit, revise, or add any details to the job description, just like a Word document. Make sure your final charm description accurately reflects the skills you need. When you're happy with the description, you can bring this AI to life. How? It's simple. Select the entire job description, including your charm title, then hover over the pencil icon and you'll see the Create Charm option. Click it, and your charm's job description is automatically copied in there. Then just click Create and Import. Congratulations, you've just recruited a new charm to your team. In this case, our tagline marketing specialist is now on board and ready for action. Once we're done creating the charm, we can clear the previous steps and start working. You can activate your charm by clicking the green arrow or simply type @, select the tagline marketing specialist, and press enter. That's how you create your own charm. If you don't want to build a charm from scratch, no problem. CharmIQ has a huge library of pre-built charms. To access these, visit Charms in the left panel. You'll find over 100 pre-built charms there. You can import them into your workspace or add them to your team by clicking the 3 dots and choosing Import. You can also visit the Meet Your Charms page where all the pre-built charms are arranged by topics or areas of interest, from writing and marketing to job searching and education. What's great is that each charm in these sections comes with a worksheet to help you complete your task faster and more effectively. When you click on a charm, its worksheet, and the charm itself will be automatically imported into your workspace. And that's it. You've learned how to create your own custom charm in CharmIQ and how to import a pre-built charm. Go ahead and start building your personalized AI team. Be sure to see our next video for tips on how to get the most out of your charms.